So question number 17, I am solving part 1 because second part is more easy than part 1. In part 1 2 x are there and in part 2 only 1 x is there. So part 1 I am solving question number 17, part 1 I am doing, first part. So first we will draw the diagram. X plus 25 and 3x minus 5. So x plus 25 plus 3x minus 5 equals to 180 degree. Why they are 180 degree? You can say linear pair also, or you can say straight angles. Because two angles are there, so we can say them linear pair. But if more than two angles in second question, three angles are there. So in that case, we can't write here linear pair. We will write it right here supplementary angles. Understand? Or you can write straight angle. So now we'll solve. X we will bring, because plus is out of the bracket. So when we will open the bracket, then same numbers will come out. So x plus 3x plus 25 minus 5 is equals to 180 degree. 4x plus 25 minus 520 equals to 180 degree. 4x equals to 180 minus 20 equals to 160. X equals to 160 upon 4 equals to 40 degree. So value of x only we have to find out. So value of x is 40. If the question was find the value of angles, then one more step we have to do. The angle value of x we will put in these expressions. X means 40 plus 25 and 3 into 40 minus 1. But in the question it is asked only the value of x. So we will do it till here. The question number 2 you will do yourself. It's very easy. 55 plus x plus 10 plus 60 equals to 180 degree. Number you will add and you will subtract them from 180 degrees. So that will be the value of x. Now question number 3rd and 4th. In this, question number 3, 5x and 140. They are which pair? If two lines are intersecting and opposite angles formed by those two intersecting lines is called vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So 5x is equals to 140 degree, and then you will find the value of x equals to 140 upon 5. Now we will do 4th question in this. 4th question is little bit different and difficult also, so we will do that one. The value of some angles is given. This is 90 degree. This is 45. This is x. And because we have to find out the value of x, so now you can see that this is straight line. And some angles are forming, 3 angles are forming above the straight line and 3 are below the straight line. So the sum of this plus this is 180, and this plus this is plus this is also 180. So we have to find out the value of x. So we will solve first the x side. So in this only one angle is missing and its values, its number is also not given. So we will write angle 1 to this. And when we give any name to the angle ourselves, then it is compulsory to draw the diagram in your answer sheet. So we will draw this diagram in your answer sheet because we are giving our own name to the angle. So this is 1. So we will, and this angle 1 is equal to angle 90. Why? Because they are forming vertically opposite angles. This is cross and these two angles are opposite angles. So angle 1 equals to 90 degree, vertically opposite angles. Now in this we have all the 3 angles. 45 plus 1 we have found 90 plus x. So we can find out the and sum of these three angles is 180 degrees, so we can find out the value of x. So angle 45 degree plus angle 1 plus angle x equals to 180 degree. We can write here straight angle. Straight angle. So now listen children, you can see that everywhere I have given the reason. Why? If I'm equating anything to something, then I am giving reason, because without reason you can't equate anything to anything else. So you have to give reason, it is compulsory, otherwise your marks will be deducted. So 45, value of angle 1 is 90 degree plus x equals to 180 degree. Now 45 plus 90, 135 plus x equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 minus 135 is 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 3, 4. 45 degree is the answer of angle x. So we have to find only value of x. So x is equals to 45. Now next 18th question. Find the value of unknown variables. See children, question number 18. As we know, the angles around the point, the sum of all the angles around the point is 360 degree angle, because that is the complete angle. Around the point, if one point is drawn, it means that is the complete angle. In our previous classes we have done this is acute angle, then right angle, then obtuse angle, then straight angle, then reflex angle, and then this is acute angle, this is complete angle, this is obtuse angle, and this is straight angle, this is reflex angle, and this is complete angle. So the sum of all these angles, 180 plus 180, 360 degree. So angles around a point adds up to 360 degrees. So this concept we will use in 18th question part 1. The sum of all these four angles will be 180 degrees. So x plus 95 plus 35 plus 75 is equals to 180 degree. You will add all these three angles and subtract them from 180 degree. Then you will find out the value of x. So this question you will do yourself. Now I am solving question number 18 part 2nd. Second part I am solving question number 18 second part. In this first I will draw the diagram. Here this is y, this is z, this is 50, this is x, and this is 100. So in this we will use all the concepts: vertically opposite angles, linear pairs, straight angle, all the concepts we will use. So in this it is clearly seen that angle 50 and z are forming vertically opposite angles, because this is cross and these two angles are opposite angles made by this cross. So it is not compulsory that first we have to find out the angle of x only. So you can find the x also very easily. So first we will find out x, angle x. So angle this plus this plus this, they are forming straight angle. So 50 degree plus x plus 100 degree equals to 180 degree. Why? Straight angle. You can't say it linear pair. Pair means only two angles. If two angles are there, means y and z are forming linear pair. Straight angle. So 50 plus 100 is 150 150 plus x equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 minus 150 equals to 30 degree. So angle X is equals to 30 degree. Now Z, angle Z is equals to 50 degree. Linear pair. Alpha means linear pair. Now angle Z equals to 50 degree. Sorry, vertically opposite. Linear pair is Y and Z only. Vertically opposite angles. Y and Z are linear pair. 50 and Z are vertically opposite angles. Now Z value we got. Now we will find out the value of Y. So angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree. Linear pair. As you see that everywhere, wherever I have equate two things, I have given the reason. So you also have to give the reason. So Y plus angle Z value we have just found. So it is 50 degree equals to 180 degree. Angle Y equals to 180 minus 50 equals to 130 degree. Angle Y equals to 130 degree. So answer, angle X equals to 30 degree, angle Y equals to 130 degree, and angle Z equals to 50 degree. Understood? So like this you will solve these type of questions. So that's all for today, children. I hope you all have understood this exercise. This is very easy exercise. And still, if you have any problem, then you can call me. You can discuss with me in the in our live class, or you can message me. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe. In the next class, we will do transversal. So before that, you read all the introductions about the transversals, parallel lines and its transversal. So goodbye, children.